Hello, my name is Steven Johnson, and I'm a community data advocate here at Shipyard. We wanted to put together a series of common questions that we hear from the Shipyard community and the data Slack and Reddit communities that are out there as well. So the question I want to cover today is, why does Shipyard have such a focus on low-code blueprints or templates whenever the other orchestration tools in the space don't focus on that as much? And the first and primary reason is that it allows Shipyard to be the quickest way that you can start fresh and generate ROI for your business. We take away all that coding, all the front and grunt work of coding, and we take that away from you so that you can just focus on solving business issues. If you look at one of the most common use cases inside a Shipyard, which is taking a query from Snowflake, saving the data as a CSV, and then emailing that out, we would go ahead and write those scripts for you so that you don't have to worry about data size issues. You don't have to worry about schema issues and things like that. You can just worry about writing your query and getting that CSV sent out to your business users. So that you don't have to spend time worrying about the Python code. We've done that for you. With that in mind, we also think Shipyard is the best way that you can get your full team involved as well. A lot of this work ends up falling on the data engineers or maybe even the data scientist, and they already have a lot of work to do anyway. That's more complex and that they would probably more likely want to work on. And so we kind of take that away from them. And we allow the business users to be able to get in and start making the difference with their data as well. So they can come in and use our low-code blueprints, and they can just, they can point and click, they can drag and drop, and create pipelines that they can use to solve their issues without ever having to send a message over to the data engineers. So they don't have to worry about the Python code, and it's just honestly a less intimidating experience than it would be having to actually look at some Python code to solve these issues. And while we think that our low-code blueprints are super helpful for businesses, we know that that's not the end-all solution for all organizations. We know that we can't possibly cover every single use case that exists in the world. So inside of Shipyard, we have our low-code blueprints, but you can also write your own Python, Bash, and Node scripts as well. And they don't have to live separately either. You can have a low-code blueprint, then your own script, and then back to another low-code blueprint if you want as well. So we think at Shipyard that we allow these low-code templates and your own code to live in harmony together. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions about the data space that you would like us to cover in this series in the future, feel free to send those over or drop them in the comments below.